Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys. For your love energy, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. So that will come up right after this daily reading. So for your daily reading, Capricorn, 7 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Capricorn, you are making great efforts today, guys. It may relate to your career situation or personal life, this connection. You are making tremendous efforts and you are overcoming many difficulties in your situation, but you are in a very advantageous position today because of the way you handle your situation or because of the efforts you are putting in your career, or it may relate to your personal life. You have that advantage in your position today, guys. So you have that strength and determination to do what you want to do. So that is what these cards are about. And maybe for some of you, there may be businesses or people in your work or in your family, somebody thinking of you as a rival. They may be competing with you, and you may see some delays or suspensions in some projects or some lucrative deals that are supposed to come, guys, that are supposed to come in this timeline. So some kind of delays you may be seeing today. That is also the energy, guys. And in your situation, whatever the circumstances are, you have that clarity in your thought and mind, and you have that determination. So no matter what is the situation, you try again and again to succeed, guys. So that is what makes you a very successful person. Whatever your dreams, whatever goals you have that conviction in your action, whatever you need to do, and you do it, and you are progressing towards your goals and your happy completion of those goals and accomplishments. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. And that is the reading for your daily energies. For your love reading, you can choose the pile, guys, and skip to the timestamp. I have given the timestamp in the description. So that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. I'll be picking one card each, guys. So whichever deck you want to watch, you can watch that card. So we will start with this deck first. I'll keep this card aside. I'll be picking one card, guys, for your love reading. So this card will give us the guidance in your situation, what your person thinks of you, or what you think of your person, and what is the energy with your connection, guys. So this is the card here, come to the edge. So with this card in your situation, guys, this denotes having that courage, having that faith to take that step forward in your relationship or this connection. It means overcoming fear and accepting risk. So we are faced with some situation, some situation where we do not know what will the situation turn out to be, what is the outcome. So we are afraid. We are afraid to take that risk sometimes, and uh, at this time right now, all you need to have is that courage in your heart. Have that faith in yourself. Listen to your heart, whatever your heart is guiding you today. So you may have some intuition or some gut feeling about what choice you need to make today. So when you have that gut feeling, you have to go for it. That is what this card is about, guys. So in our relationship, sometimes we are just scared to reveal ourselves, our truth, what we are, what our characters we have, what are our likes, what are our dislikes. So when we let ourselves to be truly seen, uh, only then that person will be able to see our true self and be able to build this connection on that truth. So if you want this relationship, if you want a deep meaningful connection with that person, you have to go for this that true bond based on truth, whatever is there in you. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it is time for you to have that courage, have that faith in yourself, and go forward in your life today. Have that confidence. And that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading with this card. Let us see what is the other card. So I'll be picking one card from the other deck, guys. So this is the card, Divine Discontent. With this card, guys, the energy in your situation. So you may have all the things you need in this relationship. Attraction is there, intimacy is there with this person, and you may have love for each other, but some part of you is just feeling sad. You feel something is missing in your life in this connection. You are feeling sad about something and you cannot describe it or point it to something in this connection, guys. It may be you may feel that it may be some fault of that person, maybe, but you are not sure, or it may be your fault in something, maybe, but you are not sure. You are not able to point it out what it is, but still you feel that energy that something is missing in this connection. Maybe because you feel that way because in this connection you don't have that total satisfaction in this connection, guys. That may be the reason that deep down in your heart of hearts, something greater, something better may be coming towards you. So that is the reason you feel that lack of fulfillment or contentment, even when you have that lovable, attractive person right in front of you. So that sense of incompleteness is there. Maybe for some of you, this may be a time for you. You may be focusing on your spiritual aspects, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may be working towards moving towards that spiritual awakening. Maybe this mundane love or this love on the physical plane, it may not interest you for few of you. Or if it is in this relationship, it may be something you are longing to have that deep connection with this person, that deep bond based on truth. That may be the reason for you to feel that lack of fulfillment or satisfaction in this connection, guys. So that is the reason you will be pushing yourself, working towards that deep meaningful connection today, guys. That is what this card is about. So that lack of satisfaction, that sense of missing or anxiety in your situation, yearning for something or longing for something, that may be the first step that is going to help you to make this connection more deeper, and that is going to help you to further this connection, deepen this connection, and go for that deep meaningful commitment in this relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. Let us conclude this reading with a beautiful poetry from Rumi, guys. Winter falls upon us, so spring can bring new growth. Cry the tears, allow the longing. Sadness brings surrender and a deep desire to be free. Rumi. So this card is based on this poem, guys. So that is the reading for today, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.